Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 59-inch Volvo XC60 AWD D5 in metallic silver finish with a 18-inch Volvo XC alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition, and it's got front and rear parking sensors, a privacy glass and a aluminium roof rails. Two exhaust pipes, split folding rear seats, very good size of a boat, a 12-volt power outlet as well, first aid kit in there, and it does come with a spare tire and all the tools. And the front view of the vehicle, it's got front fogs, headlamp washers, daytime running LED lights and a daytime running xenon headlights. So basically it's got the winter pack, and then it's got contrasting full leather interior with some kind of orange stitches on the sides. It's looking very good and stylish. It's got 5 headrests, eyes fixed for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department. It's got child seat boosters as well on the both sides. It's a bit difficult to open it by one hand. Let me open the other one. There we go. No way, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay. And for your safety, it's got front and side airbags. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 airbags altogether. It's got on the sides as well and on the steering wheel. Over there on the sides it's got airbags, and on the side of the seats as well. Very good size of a legroom, and it's got a 12-volt power outlet at the back over there. This is the finish of the doors. Next to the handle it's got some leather. It's got some chromes next to the handle and a cup holder and some storage department there, and it's got a speaker on the rear doors and a child lock as well. Then here we have the electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got twin electric seats and a memory driver side. Leather is in very good condition. Once we step in, as you can see, it's got a push button to start. All we have to do is to insert the key and push the button. It's got automatic transmission, which is very easy to use. As you can see, there's just a button to press and switch between the drive, reverse or neutral. And then it's got a 12-volt power outlet in there, the front. Here in the middle it's got 2 cup holders, some little light, a center armrest with some storage department under it. The auxiliary and USB slot, as you can see on the left hand side, are under the center armrest. It's got lumbar support on the both driver and passenger side seats. Moving to the front, as I mentioned before, it's got the winter pack. It's got the heated seats, air conditioning with a doors on climate control, and you can even see that on the screen over there. Then it's got a hands-free Bluetooth connectivity. The acceleration, I showed you where it is, the USB. It's got DAB radio, so it's got the FM radio, and then it's got a CD player as well. High performance sound system, the vehicle. A rear view dimming mirror, I think. Oh, it looks like it's not auto rear view dimming mirror. No, it's got the compass in there on the side, as you can see. A multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, over there. And in the glove box we have the owner's manual, and by the way, when you using the parking sensors, you can see them on the screen over there for the front and rear parking sensors. This was the video walk around of the 59 range Volvo XC60. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.